Add beautiful and bold contrasting touches to your projects with the Pitt Artist Pen white lettering set from Faber-Castell Creative Studio. Each package comes with 4 pens, a brush nib, calligraphy nib, 1.5 bullet nib, and a 2.5 bullet nib. These unique pens feature rich, opaque, white, permanent India ink. They're excellent for adding contrast to projects and for use on dark surfaces. The ink is immediately visible and will not fade over time. It's waterproof when dry, making it the perfect choice for mixed media pieces. Since the ink is pigmented and very light fast, it's perfect for various types of projects, from layouts to illustrations. When you're finished using the pens, it's best to store them horizontal. Get the advantages of artist ink with the benefits of a modern, easy-to-use, disposable pen with the Pitt Artist Pen white lettering set from Faber-Castell Creative Studio. You can find more colors and nib varieties of the Pitt Artist Pens in the art aisle of your arts and crafts retailer.